Tomorrow everything changes. There's going to be a change to my working hours due to childcare. Whilst I'm so happy about that, I am incredibly nervous about the long days. I really need this to work. The lack of childcare, it can be quite tricky. So today I want to get ready for the week ahead. I want to prep as much as I can so that this week can go as smooth as possible. Washing, grocery shop on its way, meal prepping, clean and tidy the house as well, sharing how I get organised for the week ahead. I genuinely feel like my washing basket is a reflection of how organised I am with my life. Amazon purchases I don't regret. Comes in a pack of 3. I wish that I had lots of space for storage, separate things by the day, but unfortunately we just don't have that much room. I'm going to use a basket, get all the nursery clothes out for this week, all the school uniform out for this week. I am tempted to sort of reorganise the drawers, but I feel like they'll get muddled up with other stuff. So let's just try it out with this week with the basket. If it goes down well, then I may reorganise the drawers next week. My daughter's nursery club. I also got her clothes ready for the days we're at home, just so that everything's streamlined. I have to say I'm not really sure about this outfit, just because the t-shirt's a little bit small, but I've got this as a backup. I've got a wash in at the minute, so once the wash has dried, then I'll probably swap this t-shirt. I think I do need to buy some more t-shirts because we are running a little short. I gave loads of clothes over to nursery, just because she's potty training, so I just need to make sure that she's got lots there, but it means that I actually don't have as much at home now. There's so much benefits to all this. This means that during the week I'm so much more stress-free. I'm going to be able to focus on just getting my hours done at work, then also being there for the kids. I'm not going to have to worry about washing, making sure that there's food to eat. There's the financial benefits as well, like I'm less likely to order in because we've already got our food prepped and a lunch for everyone because we are starving, and I was really disorganised and managed to leave it until last minute to have nothing in the house. Yeah, in a minute. So yeah, we've just got a couple of bits here. Popcorn, because I'm loving my popcorn as a snack in the evening at the minute. Leek for my leek and potato soup that I'm going to make for the week, and then also got some potatoes. We're going to have a Sunday roast later tonight, some veg here and some blueberries which my daughter cannot wait to have. Then we've got some meat for our meals, and then we've also got a couple here which we shouldn't really have, but yeah, we just had a small treat for our week. But yeah, we've got most stuff, and then we had a couple of toiletries, like some Pampers pants for also there to stop her leaking on the night. I'm pretty much ready for the week. I feel like I'm organised. I feel like I've built it up in my head 100%, but that's just because I want this to work so much, and I've just got this vision of Friday and being able to feel a bit more relaxed whilst I take care of my daughter because we made it through the week. So yeah, everything's done now. And much for watching. I'll be back next week and I'll let you know how it went on. Speak to you soon. Bye.